In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, welcome back our new video. I hope you are well. If you want to add English vocabulary word in your life, then you must subscribe to this channel. So I am excited to talk about the topic Islamic vocabulary with English meaning. So number 1, Allah, God. Allah, God, Quran, Holy Book, Quran, Holy Book, Hadith, saying of Prophet Muhammad, Hadith, saying of Prophet Muhammad, Sana, practices of Prophet Muhammad, Sana, practices of Prophet Muhammad, Ama, Muslim community, Ama, Muslim community, Tawheed, oneness of God, Tawheed, oneness of God, Halal, permissible, Halal, permissible, Wudu, ablution, Wudu, ablution, Salat, prayer, Salat, prayer, Jahannam, hell, Jahannam, hell. Number 11, Hijrah, migration, Hijrah, migration, Kafir, non-believer, Kafir, non-believer, Ulma, scholar, Ulma, scholar, Fatwa, legal ruling, Fatwa, legal ruling, Tafsir, Quranic exegesis, Tafsir, Quranic exegesis, Salam, peace, Salam, peace, Wajib, obligatory, Wajib, obligatory. You tell me in the comment 18, 19 and 20. Makruh, Makruh, Mubah, Mubah, Shirk, Shirk. Thanks for watching.